Aw, thank you. Let's see the card, Olivia. Hold up. Okay, so read your card. So.
What to say on the front?
And that was for Diamond.
I don't know what this
It's cursive.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey.
Another year gone by already. It's a pleasure to celebrate you, no matter how quickly the time goes by. I could do it every day. Have a wonderful birthday, Tatiana and Diamond.
And that's for So-So's birthday. Okay, girls, open your presents. Oh, okay. Diamond, open yours first.
Not special.
Girl, me too. We on camera like, yeah. High five for that one. Oh, that's so nice. Let me see. Let mommy see. Hold it up. Ooh. You like it? Nice. Okay, so go ahead. Oh, so I'm sorry. Go ahead, wait. Oh, I found a receipt. She loves receipts. What's up? What else is in there, Diamond? Diamond, something else in there, baby. Right, she like receipts. She call it $50. Oh, nice. Let mommy see. That's nice. You like it, Diamond? You like it? Okay. Okay, go ahead, So. And I had to keep taking this from the girls, just so you know. Ah, let's see. Her face was just priceless. That was cute. Oh, it's a little baby. Diamond and Tati kept trying to take that little dog. I'm like, this is for So. She's so little and cute. You like her, So? Yay. Happy birthday, Diamond and So. Yay. Clap, girls. Y'all supposed to be clapping. Yay.